Go. Okay. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about my another new app. This new app is about managing alts, such as uh, going for coalition tasks and going for honor attempt, divination, those three. So you will see in this video later. Okay, first things first, you should go to this link I will provide in the description later. So, and then we will download this. Okay, so today we will be making with uh, Kines, Kines, and I hope he will be actively participating. Okay, so it's almost done. This is gonna be my first trial. If you have some problems to use this or some conflicts, please write comment below. Uh, uh, okay, download is done. Okay, let's first extract it, and done. So if you go in here, you're gonna see this app, alt manager app.exe file. I just open it, and it will say connecting, and then here we go. You will see this windows. If you can see this windows, then your app is working. And then you can see there is tasks, which is coalition. You can enable, disable coalition and honor and divination, and you can also combine them. So which means your alts can go do these tasks. Okay, uh, and this will repeat. So if the app fails to do those tasks, it will repeat again and tries again. Okay, that's this option. And mirror will load window, which is like this. Okay, first in the beginning, I recommend to start with your default account. A default account means that the account you started your game. For example, this is my default account. If I switch, I can switch to my different accounts like this. Uh, so this is not my default account, so just like this I will go back to my default account like this. So I recommend to start here, so just to avoid any other problems. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, first this is briefly about my app here, uh, and uh, I have to mention in here, you can see there is a data folder. If you go in here, you can see these folders. Okay, you can see these folders. So if you open for example this switch, you can see some pictures like this 0, 1, 2, 3, and several of them. So when you start your application, no, not before starting your application, you should capture these pictures so application can search these pictures from your computer, actually mirrored computer. For example, this VIP means VIP here, so which means it will start clicking here, and then it will search second picture, which is account. Okay, it will click account and then switch account like this, and switch account, and then Google search. uh, Choose your account means here. So if you can see this choose account, it will proceed to choose accounts like this. Let's stop for here. uh, if you go to this folder profiles, you can see all of my uh, accounts like this. You should capture every account like this to here, so this app can able to choose, I mean go through all these profiles. Okay, for example here, first my app will go to this account, and then this account, oh, and then third, and then fourth, like this. You can add as many as you want here, so that doesn't matter. Let's go back quickly. Okay, so that's all about profiles. And like here, account, switch account, go, and then let's choose this first account like this, and then uh, fifth picture is tap to start here, and then 6 is back, which is this button. You should capture this one just in case we will use it later. And there is you can see some x x x. uh, this x1 means like for example here, so you can see this x, this is just like this. When you go to here, usually you will see some pop-ups, and you should click x like this. You can see sometimes like this, sometimes like this, sometimes like this, like this. You should update all of them. You can also add more like x6, x7, and so on like that. Okay, so this is all about the switching account. Okay, when it tries to go back, it will follow the same procedure: VIP, account, switch account, and Google. And it will skip this choose your account. It will just click tap to start, and it will go back here. If it sees some pop-ups, it will just keep clicking until it disappears. mm, yeah, that's why you should uh, I mean uh, these x usually will be changed. You might have to update them or add more of them like x6, x7, like that. Okay, so let's go to, for example, coalition task. Coalition task, like here, first it will search coalition here. I cannot give good example here. Let's go back to my main account. I can see it. Okay, it will search first coalition. You will here, and then coalition hall, and then quest. I already gave quest, that's why I cannot see. So it will you should update these 5 pictures here. I will show in a minute how to capture in a good way. So divination, just 3 pictures, and honor is 7 pictures like this. You have to update these pictures with your own capture. Okay. Okay. Let me give just an example. How do I capture it? So if you use Windows, you have snipping tool like this. Snipping tool. Let's capture first VIP. Yeah, this is my VIP, and you should save it. Download my application and data, and there is switch and VIP. Just remember, you have to type exactly same as here, so just to avoid any conflict. It says it already exists. Okay, overwrite it, and you can see it changed it. So if you want to decrease even more like this, you can use paint easily, like this. So this is the perfect picture for VIP. Okay. uh, okay, the second one, just I will give another example of sleeping. So here, just like this, count up, and save it. Alright, yes. Okay, so you will update all of pictures one by one. Okay, that's for updating pictures. So if you update all of them, I hope it will work without any issue. Okay, so let me just I want to update my profiles. For example, here I want to use these 3 profiles instead of these 4 profiles. I will just delete them and apply like here. Name doesn't matter in profile, but in here it has to be in order. So it will my app will check first picture and second picture and third picture in order. Okay, that's one thing I have to mention. So right now my application is ready. Okay, hello everyone. This is the second part of my demo for my application about managing alts. Okay, first let's go to the link like in the description and download it. If you notice, I add this alt manager hub with console. Console is useful for detecting bugs. If you are facing some issues, try to see this console and report back to me. Okay, then I will make some improvement or development about it. I will show this console in a minute when I am doing demo. Okay, so download complete. Let's go to folder. See this old file. Now let's copy this file to new directory. Come here, copy here, and extract it. To take it will take some time. Okay, there are so many files in here, including Python libraries and including some other data and all of that stuff. Okay, so my computer is taking some time. Okay, it's done. So make sure you are seeing data folder and all of the related pictures, and make sure you update it with your own capture files and replace them, update them like that, as I mentioned in the previous video, in the previous part. Okay, so I'm gonna mm, quickly replace my profiles to this. Okay, okay, done. Okay, it's done. Let's go to our Excel file. More info, run away. So you will see this window, and you will see this window. So if you can see this window, your app is working. So first, let's try to mirror. Yeah, this is my phone. My phone. I am trying to do two tasks for my three profiles. Okay, let's just start it. I think there won't be any issues. If you are facing some issues, try to describe in the comment below or maybe contact me. Yeah, I will try to fix it. Hmm. Uh, Keep in mind, uh, uh, you should not move your mouse. That will interrupt. That will definitely interrupt your. Oh, maybe I click your app. Okay, make sure you are not moving your mouse when your application is running. First, try to use this app. I think it's working pretty fine. Mm, yeah, right now my first account is done, and it started to do honor task and divination task for my second account. So okay, going here, clearing X and go to honor Copenhagen, honor A, and intimacy. Okay, okay, I'm trying to pause it. Yes, I pause it, and my application will pause after completing this task. Okay, if you see this idle, uh, then your application is paused. Then you move your mouse and make some other stuff, and then start click start, and then it will resume wherever it stopped. Okay, you can also see there is stop a button. If you click stop button, it will stop. Make sure it's idle. Yeah, it's idle. And then if you stop and start it, then it will start from 0, or you can just restart the type of your tasks. Okay, and then start it, and then my app will go for collision task for my first account. Okay, I think that will do it. I hope there won't be any bugs. Let's wait and see can finish without issue. So on tasks started, and tasks complete, go task, kill task is success, and next account. I want to see what happens if all of my tasks are complete. Will I get my windows closed automatically, or just I think it's just idle. uh, it turns idle, and then you can change your tasks and start again if you want, or click repeat. It will repeat the same tasks, uh, but it will do only like failed tasks. Sometimes you may interrupt your app and some tasks will be failed, and then you may want to go back to that account and that task, but you may not notice it. That's why you can use repeat, and it will automatically go back to that task and try to do it again and again and again. It will not stop until it's success. Okay. So Sultan's right, unfortunately it does not know about Sultan's right and going for like what is it, Imperial Library, Imperial like Academy and affairs like that. So it will just gives um, viziers or consorts if you have qualified enough, or it will just give money and other things. Okay, so my tasks are done. You can see all tasks are done and idle. You can if you can see idle, then you can see you can move your mouse freely. Okay, that's all about this video. If you have any feedbacks or ideas or development improvements, you can comment in the comment section. Later I'm trying to do for this application I'm alt management. I will try to implement a levy for this Imperial Parliament and Imperial Academy, maybe feast here. Those are also important, and maybe videos, and maybe like claiming mails. Uh, those features will be uh, applied here if necessary. If you are interested, just comment them in the comment section below. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching and good luck.